Hello friends, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today's video, I just thought it would be fun and maybe relaxing to watch me sort my tarot deck back into order. If you're not familiar, I am a tarot reading and I just conducted a deck interview with this Nightmare Before Christmas deck. So if you're interested in any of that, I will have it linked up above and also down below. But I thought it could be satisfying, you know, little ASMR sped up content of me sorting this tarot deck. Maybe I won't speed it up. We'll see how long it is. But this deck basically told me in the video that it doesn't really want to be used. And it's just, you know, my intuition was correct in it just wanting to be a piece of art in my home. I love Nightmare Before Christmas. And I have little Nightmare Before Christmas knickknacks all around my entire house. My husband gifted me this for Christmas last year, and I finally got around to pulling it out because, like I said, if you are familiar with tarot, you know that decks are drawn to you, and you know kind of like you may buy one or be gifted one, and you may not be called to it, and that's totally normal because it just means that the deck isn't meant to be worked with, or it just doesn't want to work with you right now. There may be like an aversion or something. But this deck told me that basically it's fine being part of my decor. So that's the little backstory on it. And I did shuffle it up quite a bit to try to make sure I got a nice good mix for my deck interview. So now I'm just going to put the cards back in order because just the vibes that it gave off is that it wants to be sitting in order inside its little home on my shelf. So basically I'm going to be separating to Major Arcana. Ooh. Okay, these are like early Major Arcana, so I'm putting these over to the side. So we have Major Arcana, and then we have the 4 Minor Arcana. So we have Presents, Candles, Potions, and Needles. So now I'm just going to sort between these 5 piles and putting them back into proper order and the right side up. it is time to put her back where she belongs. And that's the deck all put back together. If you're in a nice, relaxed state, I am so happy for you, and I hope you found this relaxing. As always, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my channel. I am putting all different kinds of content out for Vlogmas this year. Sometimes it's going to be small little things like this that I think people may find just enjoyable for aesthetic reasons. I have beauty videos, of course, that are coming out. Get ready with me. I'm going to be doing recipe videos, and I'm going to be sharing some other personal things with you as well. So be sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when my content comes out. Let me know in the comments down below what other content you would like to see from me during Vlogmas. As always, thank you so much for your time and energy. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.